All right, so here we go. This is Shilajit, and as you can see, it is gooey. And as you can see, I've used a lot of this. This little tub is a 1.5 year supply. How cool is that? And you can just take your, I take a chopstick, and you can see, just pull that out there. And that's about right. That's about 200 milligrams there, which is a daily dose. Take this, bam, put it in there. As you can see, it does not readily dissolve, so we have to be patient. Just let it sit there and dissolve while we do the show. Why would anyone want to take Shilajit? I mean, it looks pretty icky. So Shilajit is a product of thousands of years of composting organic material, and is a super concentrate of trace minerals. Your body manufactures enzymes and proteins that are supposed to get stuff done in your body, and these proteins need a trace mineral in order for them to get the right configuration and do their job. But if you don't have a trace mineral, then the enzyme will be sluggish. It'll do maybe half its job, or just say, nah, it's going to take a rest. So taking Shilajit makes a huge difference, and it's known as the destroyer of weakness. And it really does give you energy and pep you up, and it gets those enzymes doing their job. That's the mechanism whereby it makes you stronger.